Hello everyone, Stacey Murphy here with a quick video on end of season tomato plants. So for many of us, tomatoes are one of our favorite crops. There are more things that you can harvest off of those tomato plants in order to enjoy them into the fall. So below 50 degrees, they're gonna stop setting fruit. So at that point, what you wanna do is you wanna take your tomato plants out and you wanna plant something else. But what do you do with the tomato plants? Most people are aware of fried green tomatoes. It's a standard recipe that everybody really loves. What other things can you do with those green tomatoes? Well, basically they're like tomatoes. They just aren't as full of moisture and they aren't yet as sweet. Make a green salsa, and you might need to sweeten it a little bit because you don't get the natural sweetness of the tomatoes. You might try to make a green hot sauce, similar to making like a tomatillo hot sauce. Another thing that I like to do is make quick pickles. There's something that I can put on my plate really quickly when I'm making a salad or I'm making a dish and I want to add something new to it. So this is something that can store in your refrigerator for a couple of weeks. So if you have a lot of green tomatoes that you need to harvest all at once and you need something to do with them, making them into a salsa or a hot sauce with a quick pickle preserves them for a little while longer. All right, I'll see you on the next video.